Hey guys, Zaman
and Christina
from Our Rich Journey. Welcome back to our stock portfolio update, where we take you into our stock portfolio and share with you the performance of our investments. Now, this portfolio update is very special because over this past year, the stock market has been all over the place. And lots of you have been asking us, how has your portfolio held up? Well, on today's video, we are gonna take you back into our portfolio. We're gonna go over our investments and we're gonna share with you how we've done over this past year. But if you've been following our journey the entire time we've been on YouTube, you know that we have had several portfolios that we have shared with you. And throughout that time, if you just so happen to be investing along with us because you've done your own research and you agree with the investments that we're making, you have done really well. In fact, some of your portfolios might be up over 100%, and we are speaking from experience when we say this. So on today's video, we're gonna do the usual portfolio update, but we also have something very special to share with you guys because we want you to continue on this journey with us of wealth building.
That's right. So in today's video, we are going to be opening up this specific portfolio. If you've been following along, we created this portfolio in March of 2020. We invested an initial $5,000, and then every single month after that, we invested another $1,200. But in addition to talking about our portfolio, when we open up and show you how it's been doing, we also answer questions. We answer investment questions. So we've answered questions about rebalancing, asset allocation, dividends, investing for tax advantaged accounts. So many different things every single month when we do this type of portfolio update. But in this particular update, we are going to do something special. Like Aman said, we are not going to be answering a question. We are going to share with you how you can join us to make 2022 your best year yet.
So 2022, the 365 days that are gonna make up that year are going to be very special days for anyone that is interested in joining us on a journey. So Christina and I have created a program called 365 Days to FIRE. And it is something that we've never done before, but it's something that we have committed to doing in 2022 and bringing you guys along on this journey. Now we're gonna get into our portfolio and talk about the performance, but let's first talk about the 365 Days to FIRE program that we've developed for you.
So the first thing about this program is it is designed to have you take action. So we have daily tasks every single day of the year, 365 days, that focus on you taking action to make more money, save more money, and invest more money. But not only that, we have a FIRE action plan that we give to you. We have you fill it all out so that you have a full and concrete, very detailed FIRE action plan, and you also give it to us. We review it and we give you personalized feedback on your plan, not only once, but after we give you feedback. If you feel like you need to modify it or change it, you give it back to us, we review it again, and we send it back to you. We really want you to have a solid FIRE plan, and we really want you to be taking action in 2022.
So I'm really excited about that particular aspect of our program because it's rare that we have the opportunity to give you guys that type of one-on-one feedback. But not only will we be reviewing your FIRE plans, we will also be providing email support to everyone that is in the program. That's right. If you have a question, you can email us and you will get an email back with an answer to your question.
So if you have questions about saving, making, or investing money, or anything about your FIRE journey, we have a special dedicated email address for you to send those questions in, and we respond to that. But something else that I really like, because we love the interaction that this program is going to provide, we're going to be doing monthly Q&As, live Q&As every single month. So that's 12 full live Q&As throughout the course of this program. And of course, if you cannot attend, they will be recorded so you can watch them later.
But it doesn't just stop there. Our program also includes a private Facebook group where people can connect with each other to inspire each other on this journey. Now, we are all about building community when it comes to FIRE, and there's nothing more important than getting together with like-minded people to exchange ideas. And so the private Facebook group that people are allowed to join as a part of this program is something that we are very excited about. So in addition to that, something else that we love to do, and we've done this before in the past, we have sent people personalized messages encouraging them to keep on keeping on their journey. So everyone that is in this program, when we start to talk about the actions that you are taking specifically, we're gonna check in with you guys. And we're gonna send you personalized videos inspiring you to keep moving forward on your journey.
Another thing that we're going to be doing is we are going to be holding book clubs. So we have picked out 4 different books that helped us on our FIRE journey, and we are going to have quarterly book club sessions on those books where we get together, we read the book, and then we talk about what we think about the book, how it can help inspire us or motivate us, or different things that you can do on your FIRE journey to get you closer to your goals.
So the book club is a very important aspect of this program because these are 4 books that resonated with us and that really changed our lives. And so for us to be able to sit down with you and go back and forth and talk about the big things that we learned from these books, I think will be powerful for anyone that is in the program.
Now we're also going to be having in-person meetups here in Portugal exclusively for people in this program. And there's even more as it relates to what we're doing in this program. So the program is going to run from January 1st, 2022 all the way until December 31st, 2022, and enrollment is open now until the end of this year, which is December 31st, 2021. Now, because of the level of interaction that we're going to be doing, a lot of one-on-one email support, reviewing your FIRE action plans, and everything else related to this program, we have limited seats. So because enrollment is open now, like I said, it's open until December 31st, the end of this year, or until spaces are filled because we have limited spaces. So if you are interested in being a part of this one-of-a-kind first ever program, we will leave a link for that in the description below, or you can check it out at ourrichjourney.com.
Now, wait a minute. I don't think people really understand what you just said, okay? It is limited space and limited time. So I'm not really concerned about the time. I have a very strong feeling that spaces will fill up. So if this is something that you are serious about, do not wait. Don't put it off. Turn off this video. Don't even watch the stock portfolio update and go enroll in the program. That is just my warning to you because I know that we will get emails from people saying, hey, do you have more? We won't have that because we want to commit to everyone that is in the program. We want to give 100% to them. So we have to limit the number of spaces. So I'm just warning you guys now, do yourself a favor and take action.
Okay, so Amana is really pushing the point that it is limited seating. So if you are interested, again, make sure you check out the link in the description below or go to ourrichjourney.com to find out more. We also have a list of FAQs related to this program. So definitely check it out at ourrichjourney.com.
So let's get to our stock portfolio update. I'm really excited about getting into the portfolio this month. It is the end of the year. And so we're gonna go over these investments and show you how the portfolio has performed.
So let's start off with the first index fund, which is the Fidelity Zero Total Market Index Fund, FZROX. On November 15th, we invested $720 and bought 42.578 shares at $16.91 each. We now own a total of 1,463.2 shares at an average price of $12.21 per share. Our total amount invested is $17,859.18. The current value as of December 11th is $24,245.22, making this a total gain of $6,386.04, or 35.75%. Next is the Fidelity Zero International Index Fund, FZILX. On November 15th, we invested $240 and bought 19.063 shares at $12.59 each. We now own a total of 587.79 shares at an average price of $10.27 per share. Our total amount invested is $6,037.05. The current value as of December 11th is $6,971.18, making this a total gain of $934.13 or 15.47%. Next is the Fidelity Real Estate Index Fund, FSRNX. On November 15th, we invested $240 and bought 12.480 shares at $19.23 each. We now own a total of 410.779 shares at an average price of $14.39 per share. Our total amount invested is $5,909.20. The current value as of December 11th is $7,923.92, making this a total gain of $2,014.72 or 34.09%. On December 3rd, we also received dividends and a capital gain distribution that were both automatically reinvested. FZROX paid a long-term capital gains distribution of $40.44 and a dividend of $261.42, and then FZILX paid a dividend of $175.23. Overall, our portfolio as of December 11th is valued at $39,140.33. That's up $9,334.89 or 31.32%.
So that is our stock portfolio update. We couldn't be more happier with the performance of this portfolio over 2021. And if you guys are interested in joining us on our journey in 2022 in our 365 Days to FIRE program, don't forget to check out the link in the description or go to ourrichjourney.com. We are so excited to share this brand new program with you guys and make 365 days in 2022 all about financial independence. And so if you guys have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and join the journey.